Hey there, gorgeous souls! Welcome back to 1012 Expressions, where we're all about unlocking your potential and creating a life you absolutely love. Today, we're diving into the magical world of vision boards. This isn't just some arts and crafts project, my friend. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery, manifestation, and creating a crystal-clear roadmap for your future. Get ready to unleash your inner artist, tap into your deepest desires, and watch your dreams take flight. Let's do this! So, what exactly is a vision board? Simply put, it's a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Think of it as a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that speak to your soul and ignite your passion. It's like creating a tangible mood board for your life, filled with everything you want to attract, experience, and become. The beauty of a vision board is that it serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards, keeping you motivated, inspired, and on track to manifest your dream life. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of creating your vision board, let's take some time to get clear on your dreams. This is where the real magic begins. Grab your journal, find a cozy spot, and let's dive into some soul searching. What are your deepest desires? What makes your heart sing? What do you want to achieve in your life? Don't hold back. Write down everything that comes to mind, no matter how big or small, practical or seemingly impossible. The sky's the limit. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone. Allow yourself to dream without limitations. This is about tapping into your truest self and uncovering the desires that lie deep within your heart. All right, now that you've got a clear vision of your dreams, let's get those creative juices flowing. It's time to dive into the exciting process of creating your vision board, a powerful tool to manifest your goals and aspirations. And start building your board. Here's what you'll need. A large poster board or corkboard. This will be the canvas for your dreams, the space where your future will start to take shape. Magazines, catalogs, and printed images. These will provide the visual inspiration and tangible representations of your goals. Scissors, glue, and tape. These tools will help you piece together your vision, making it a cohesive and beautiful whole. Markers, pens, and stickers. These will add color and personality to your board, making it uniquely yours and your beautiful, vibrant energy. Step 1. Set the mood. Find a space where you feel inspired and at peace. Light a candle to create a calming atmosphere. Put on some uplifting music. Choose tunes that make you feel happy and motivated, setting the perfect backdrop for your creative process. And let your creativity flow. Step 2. Start clipping. Flip through your magazines. Look for images and words that speak to your heart and align with your aspirations. And start cutting out images and words that resonate with your goals and dreams. Don't rush this step. Take your time to find pieces that truly inspire you. Don't overthink it. Go with your gut. Step 3. Arrange and rearrange. Once you've got a good pile of images, start arranging them on your board. Experiment with different placements. Start arranging them on your board. Think about the story you want your board to tell and how each image contributes to that narrative. Play around with different layouts and compositions until you find one that feels right. Step 4. Glue it down. Once you're happy with the arrangement, start gluing or taping everything down securely. Start gluing or taping everything down securely. Step 5. Add your personal touch. Now it's time to personalize your board. Add your own flair with markers, pens, stickers, and even glitter. Glitter, whatever makes your heart sing. This is your vision board, so make it as unique and vibrant as you are. Enjoy the process and watch your dreams come to life. Images that speak 1,000 words. Choosing the right images for your vision board is crucial. These images are not just pictures. They are the visual representation of your dreams, aspirations, and the life you want to create. They serve as daily reminders of what you're working towards and help keep you focused and motivated. Remember, this is all about creating a visual representation of your dream life. The images you select should resonate deeply with you and reflect your most cherished goals and desires. So what kind of images should you be on the lookout for? Start by thinking about the different areas of your life that you want to improve or focus on. This could be anything from your career and relationships to personal growth and health. Think about your goals across different areas of your life. Write them down if it helps to clarify your thoughts. This will make it easier to find images that align with your vision. Career. Do you dream of starting your own business, landing your dream job, or becoming a thought leader in your industry. Visualize what success looks like for you in your professional life. Look for images of successful entrepreneurs, inspiring workspaces, or people living their passions. These images will help you stay motivated and remind you of the professional success you aspire to achieve. Relationships. Are you seeking a loving partner, nurturing your existing relationships, or expanding your social circle? Relationships are a vital part of our lives and can greatly influence our happiness and well-being. Find images of happy couples, close-knit families, or groups of friends having a blast. These images will help you focus on building and maintaining meaningful connections with others. Personal growth. Are you committed to personal development, expanding your knowledge, or embracing new experiences? Personal growth is an ongoing journey that can lead to a more fulfilling and enriched life. Seek out images of people meditating, reading, traveling, or engaging in activities that light you up. These images will inspire you to continue growing and exploring new horizons. Health and wellness. Are you striving for a healthier lifestyle, more energy, or a fitter physique? Your health is the foundation of everything else in your life. Look for images of healthy meals, people exercising, or serene natural settings. These images will encourage you to make healthier choices and prioritize your well-being. Remember, the images you choose should evoke strong positive emotions within you. They should make you feel excited and optimistic about the future. When you look at your vision board, you should feel inspired, motivated, and excited about the future you're creating. Let these images be a constant source of inspiration and a reminder of the incredible life you are working towards. Words to ignite your soul. While images are incredibly powerful, words add another layer of depth and intention to your vision board. Incorporate affirmations, quotes, and powerful words that resonate with your goals and aspirations. For example, abundance, joy, success, love, gratitude, confidence, freedom. Write them in beautiful calligraphy. Use colorful markers or cut out inspiring quotes from magazines. The key is to choose words that uplift, empower, and motivate you to take action toward your dreams. Activating your vision daily rituals. Creating your vision board is an amazing first step, but the real magic happens when you actively incorporate it into your daily life. It's not just about having a beautiful board, it's about making it a living, breathing part of your everyday routine. Here are a few simple yet powerful ways to activate your vision board. 1. Prime your mind. This means getting your mind ready to receive and act on the messages your vision board is sending you. Place your vision board in a prominent location where you'll see it every day, such as your bedroom, office, or bathroom mirror. The key is to make sure it's in a spot where you can't miss it. Take a few moments each morning and evening to gaze at your board, visualize your dreams coming true, and feel the emotions of gratitude, joy, and excitement. This practice helps to set a positive tone for your day and reinforces your goals. 2. Meditate on your vision. Meditation is a powerful tool to connect deeply with your desires and intentions. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. This helps to calm your mind and center your thoughts. As you inhale, visualize your dreams manifesting effortlessly. Picture every detail vividly, as if it's happening right now. As you exhale, release any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs. Let go of anything that might be holding you back from achieving your dreams. 3. Infuse your day with intention. This means starting your day with a clear focus on what you want to achieve. Before you start your day, take a look at your vision board and choose one specific goal or action you want to focus on. This helps to keep your priorities in check and ensures you're always moving towards your dreams. Throughout the day, hold that intention in your mind and take inspired action towards making it a reality. Remember, consistency is key. The more consistent you are, the more progress you'll make. The more you interact with your vision board, the more you'll align your energy with your dreams and the faster you'll manifest them into your reality. It's about creating a daily habit that keeps you connected to your goals and dreams. The power of visualization, reaping the rewards. Creating and using a vision board is a powerful way to harness the law of attraction and manifest your dreams into reality. By consistently visualizing your goals, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you want to create in your life. The more you focus on your vision, the more you'll attract opportunities, resources, and synchronicities that will support you in achieving your goals. Remember, Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely and watch your dreams unfold before your very eyes. Join our community, elevate your life, and there you have it, gorgeous souls. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to create a vision board that will ignite your soul and propel you towards your dreams. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and share it with your friends. And hey, if you're ready to take your vision board game to the next level, head over to our online store, where you'll find exclusive 1012 Expressions merchandise, including gorgeous vision board kits, journals, and other goodies to support you on your journey to living your best life. Remember, you are capable of creating a life beyond your wildest dreams. So go out there, unleash your inner magic, and make it happen. Thanks for watching.